Fun facts with Hamlet the Hamster. Facts about bananas. A cluster of bananas is called a hand, while a single banana is called a finger. I guess this makes me a cannibal! Bananas are naturally slightly radioactive. Where's my hazmat suit? Bananas can float in water. Bananas contain a natural chemical called serotonin, which makes people happy. A strawberry is not a berry. A banana is. Strawberries aren't berries? My life has been a lie! Bananas are made of 75% water. India produces more bananas than any other country. Humans are 50% identical to bananas as they share about half of the same DNA. Am I going bananas? Bananas have been depicted in ancient Egyptian hieroglyphs. More songs have been written about bananas than any other fruit. Let's all sing a banana song! Ba 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 banana.